All right, open them up.
We're Cassie and Chloe. We have a letter. Yeah, from Pod Grandma. Yeah. And we're gonna make him this card because in this one with toys opening is both of ours. And the one I'm opening is for me.
No, there's one for each of you.
Whoa, a princess one. And a stickers book. For you, Chloe, both for you. Yeah, I might get the same. Aww. Oh, I got this. I almost got this. Wait. My card out. What did I get? Oh. I got the same. Let's see what I... Oh. Yeah, I got the same. Let's see what stickers I got. For this. Let's see what's in mine. I only got Ellie. I only got Ariel and Moa. Look what I got, Princess. In a garden. Look what stickers I... Wait, wow. Let's start at the beginning. Here's look at my stickers. I got sparkly ones. And here's a wait page. And look, I got more stickers. I got more stickers.
You say thank you to them?
Thank you, Pa.
And Grandma.
And Grandma. Let's see what's in. Oh, look, Chloe, look. Oh. Look. Okay, bye. Look at it. Aww. Look at it. I see it. Yay. We love you, Pod Grandma. We love you, Pod Grandma. So, thanks for the cards and stickers. Goodbye. P.S. We love you too, and we love you for all. And we got 3 pages.